Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to master a super important part of everyday English. Talking about time and your daily routine. It's something you'll use constantly. So let's make sure you sound natural and confident. Ready? Let's get started. First up, the most basic question. What time is it? Imagine someone asks you this on the street. You could say, it's 4 o'clock. Simple, right? Or maybe it's half past the hour. You'd say, it's 4:30. If it's 15 minutes past, you can say, it's 4:15. And for 15 minutes before the next hour, it's 4:45. Practice these. Look at a clock right now and say the time out loud. It's a great way to build the habit. Now, let's connect this to your day. Let's talk about your daily schedule. Someone might ask you, what time do you wake up? A great answer would be, I wake up at 6:30 in the morning. Notice the word at. We always use at before the time. So, at 6:30, at 7 o'clock. After waking up, maybe you get ready. So, what time do you get ready? I get ready around 7. Around is a useful word when the time isn't exact. It means approximately. Next, let's talk about the start of the workday. A common question is, what time do you go to work? You could answer, I go to work at 8, or maybe you start a bit later. I go to work at 9:15. What if you work from home? You could say, I start work at 8:30. See how you can adapt the phrase for your own situation? Let's move on to the middle of the day. What about lunch? What time do you have lunch? I usually have lunch at noon. Noon is a special word for 12 o'clock in the daytime. It sounds more natural than saying 12 p.m. After lunch, you go back to work. I finish my lunch break at 1 p.m. The workday is finally over. So, what time do you finish work? A typical answer is, I finish work at 5. Or, I get off work at 5:30. Get off work is a very common and casual way to say you've finished your work for the day. So after you get off work, what happens next? What time do you get home? I get home at 6 o'clock. The journey from work to home is called the commute. You could even say, my commute is about an hour, so I get home around 6. Once you're home, it's time to relax and have dinner. What time do you eat dinner? I usually eat dinner with my family at 7 p.m. Usually it's a great word to add because it shows this is your normal routine, but it can sometimes change. And after dinner, maybe you watch some TV or read a book. I like to watch a movie around 8:30. Finally, it's the end of the day. Time for bed. What time do you go to bed? I try to go to bed by 11. The phrase by 11 means no later than 11 o'clock. It's a great way to express a goal or a limit. And what about midnight? Just like noon, we have a special word for 12 o'clock at night. Midnight. You could say, I was still awake at midnight, so let's do a quick recap of a full day. I wake up at 6:30. I go to work at 8. I have lunch at noon. I get home at 5:30. I eat dinner at 7. And I go to bed around 11. Now it's your turn. In the comments below, tell me about your day. What time do you wake up? What time do you go to work? I'd love to read about your daily routines. It's fantastic practice for you. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope this lesson was helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next one. Bye for now.